Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt, and in this video, I want to talk to you about being stressed out, being overwhelmed, not knowing where to go, where you're just your mind is going crazy. Things are just not happening your way, and you just are at a point where you're just like, I'm frustrated. I'm about to quit. I'm going to stop. I want to help you out. I want to give you some strategies, and I want to help you become a total boss of your life. Before we do that, click on the subscribe button, hit that bell option, that way you get notified of all the videos I come out with on a daily basis for you. So right now, I know you've been in a place where you're trying new things, you're watching videos, you're buying new programs, you're listening to this, you're watching a webinar, you're doing all this stuff, and you're at a point where you're thinking, this is frustrating, I'm not getting anywhere, and I'm not making anything happen. Like nothing's working for you. You're just all over the place. And I get these messages all the time. In fact, I got one, today about a lady that was stressed out. She's new, and she's just at a point where she just doesn't know what to do. She doesn't know where to go. She doesn't know what direction to go. Okay, and right now we are in a great time in this universe. We're in a great time in this life that we have the ability to have this thing called the internet. It allows us to reach out, create stuff, and allows us to reach people all over the world. Okay, it's something that even 10 years ago, 15 years ago, we just didn't have these options like we do today. So there's really no excuse, number one, to not be able to create the life that you want. There's really no excuses not to jump on the internet and take action on what you want to do. Because right now you can become the total boss of your life. You can stop letting somebody else dictate what you do on a daily basis. You can control your life. And the easiest way to do that is you're gonna have to do something. You're gonna have to do something very exotic and very crazy. You're gonna have to flip the switch around a little bit, okay? Because right now what you're probably doing is you're probably going to videos like this, and you're watching the videos all day. Or maybe you're going to YouTube and you're watching this video and going to this video. Maybe on Facebook and you're seeing your news feed and there's all this stuff coming at you. And then you click on this link and you go watch a webinar for an hour, and then a couple hours later you go to your email box and there's 10 new emails, and there's a couple of make $1 million in the next 2 days. Okay, you click on these links and you're going all this information. What you're doing right now is you're just in this passive learning. Let me just get one more thing, and let me learn this, and let me learn that. That's what's overwhelming you, and that's what's keeping you from having any success. You're doing this, you're doing that, you're watching this training. You need to flip that, okay? People are creating trainings, people are creating videos, people are creating blog posts and things like that. What they're doing is they've flipped the switch. They're not in passive learning anymore. They're not in this, well, let me just sit back and learn one more thing, or let me learn this, or I need to learn this. You don't need to learn anything more. Just cut it out, stop. I mean, the only thing you should be watching is my videos, but stop watching videos, all right? Just stop going to YouTube, stop getting on webinars, stop getting on the next training, stop going to your email and clicking on the links. You have to get in and start getting into this mode of taking action, okay? Taking massive action on a daily basis, because what's gonna happen is once you start taking action, that's when you're gonna start learning. You're never gonna learn from watching a webinar. You're not gonna learn anything from watching YouTube videos. You're not going to learn anything from getting on the next a blog post, or read an article, or watching another training. You're not going to learn that way. The only way you're going to learn, and the only way you're going to start making creating income for yourself, and getting up and taking the life and getting the life that you want, is by taking action on a daily, consistent basis, okay? And taking action is not watching training. That's not taking action. Taking action is creating a video like this and putting it out there. Taking action is creating your own webinar and putting it out there. Taking action is creating a blog post and putting it out there. That's taking action. Creating action is you go into Facebook, and maybe you have a Facebook group and you create value on that Facebook group, or you go to your Facebook wall and you create some type of value to the people that are following you, okay? That is taking action. And I know that you're probably thinking, well, I'm doing that, but are you really doing that? Are you sit back and look at what you're doing on a daily basis? Are you taking action? How many videos have you done in the last 7 days? How many videos have you done in the last 30 days? How many videos have you done in the last year? Think about that. If you haven't done at least 7 videos in the last 7 days, you're not taking action. If you haven't created 7 blog posts in the last 7 days, you're not taking action. If you haven't gone out there and got people in front of the information that they need, you're not taking action. Now you're probably thinking, well, what am I supposed to do? Don't worry about what you're supposed to do. Just start taking action. That's how you learn. That's how you're going to figure it out. You're probably thinking, well, I don't know how to do YouTube videos. Fine. Get your camera like I'm doing right here and start talking into it. You have the YouTube app. Click on upload and it's uploaded to your channel. Boom, you're done. Tomorrow, do the same thing. You get in front of your camera, you talk, you hit that send, you upload button on the YouTube app, and it goes to YouTube. Okay, so taking action is where you need to be right now. You gotta get out of that mode of just, I gotta learn one more thing. You don't have to learn any more things. I promise you, you know everything you need to know. You need to grab an offer that you can promote, and you need to start promoting that offer over and over and over again until you are absolutely great at it, okay? Every offer out there is gonna be great. Now, I do recommend finding an offer that's something that you can promote, that's gonna help other people succeed, and that when they get in there and they buy that offer, that it's gonna help them succeed. Now, you're gonna have to do a little sifting and sorting on that. I'm not saying that you can't just grab the first one and go for it. You'd really have to do some investing on that. If you want to get some information on a opportunity that I promote, click on the link below this video. It'll take you in there and give you the information that you need, okay? It's a great opportunity. It's something you can promote and it's easy for you. But if you don't like that and you don't want to get involved in that, find an opportunity that you can promote, something that's going to help people succeed, okay? And something that you're going to make money from. But the only way you're going to get people in front of that offer or in front of your affiliate link is by going out there and taking action, building a distribution network that you can put your offer in front of. Okay, that's the only way it's going to happen. So you have two options. You can go out there and you can create massive amounts of free content that you put out there and you put your links in there, or you can go straight to the source. You can buy the traffic. But if you don't have the money, you got to hustle. You got to get out there and make it happen. If you have a ton of money and you want to spend on advertising, go for it. Go get into Facebook and start spending money on Facebook, driving traffic to a lead capture page, put them on your list, and then you're going to go, you'll go big from that. But if you don't have a lot of money, you got to get out there and start taking action. You got to quit getting in that, I got to learn one more thing mode. I got to do this, I got to do that. No, you don't. You have to consistently do a certain amount of things every day. And you have to do it every day, no matter what. If it's, if your house burns down, go to your neighbor's house and do what you have to do. If, there's a hurricane that came through, like it just came through for me about a couple months ago, hurricanes coming through, you still got to get out there and you got to do your thing. If you can't find Wi-Fi, go somewhere else. There's going to be Wi-Fi around somewhere. If you can't get Wi-Fi, use your cellular service, okay? There's no excuses. For me, we didn't have Wi-Fi during the hurricane, so I had to use my cellular service. All I did was tether my phone to my computer. I did what I had to do, and I was done. And I just moved on, okay? It was the littlest actions, and they start to multiply. They start to add up. They start to grow, and your business will start to grow. And then that's when you're going to start to see it take off. That's when you're going to start to see your life become a total boss. You become total boss of your life, and that's when things happen, okay? Hey, if you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. Click on the link below this video if you want to get some more information on something that you can promote that'll help you build your business, okay? So this is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.